Hi, so welcome to Keco. My name's Kev. We're just starting they ask you answer section to the website to try and filter out some of the most popular questions and just get those answered for you with the people that actually make the system, the people that are designing the processes. So any questions you have, get them through to us and we'll try and answer. So we'll kick off today. We've got a good few already to start off with. So some of them are going to be quite simple. Everything's simple if you know. So for those people starting out into glue pull, we all go back to when we first got our first GPR kits. It was like, there's a kit, crack on. You know, we've taken a kit and thrown that away. We've produced a system. System is the tools, the tabs, the glues, the process, all pulled together. So hopefully we can get some of those questions answered for you.